The Smartscoot lightweight mobility scooter is an easy-to-use, adjustable, foldable lightweight scooter. With 3 speed settings and a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour, the Smartscoot portable mobility scooter provides the ability to cruise at a maximum speed and large bandwidth for speed adjustment. The Smartscoot is equipped with a 4-pound removable lithium-ion scooter battery with a driving range of up to 12 miles per charge, while complying with FAA regulation for air travel. This portable mobility scooter is a smart option for active and on-the-go lifestyles. With the removable battery, seat, and foldable steering tiller, the Smartscoot will fit into most vehicles with ease. Regain your mobility independence with the Smartscoot lightweight mobility scooter. Call Automobility Store today and receive free shipping.